and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're making a doll stand using epoxy resin. And this is the doll that we'll be making a stand for. This is a HairDooz doll and she has a beautiful head of pastel colored hair. Alright, let's get started. Let's start with mixing 100 ml of epoxy resin. Once it's mixed, we're going to add a bit of glitter to it. Then we'll separate the resin into 6 different cups. And we'll color each cup with one of the 6 colors in her hair. The first mold we're going to fill is this flower mold. We're going to add the doll's chair to the center of it. We're going to pour a little bit of each color into a flower and then set it aside to cure. Now for the base. I'm going to pour each color 2 at a time to fill the mold. We're going to start with the blue and purple in the middle, then green and pink, then orange and yellow. Next, we're going to add some glitter and confetti. I'm not really liking the rainbow lines right now, so let's see if we can do something about it. Let's mix some minor flakes into a bit of resin and pour it into the mold. Then we're going to take a stick and give it a quick swirl. Now we're going to set it aside for it to cure. It's been a day and the resin is almost cured. But before it fully cures, let's first demold the flower. Let's add some resin to the middle of the stand and then attach the flower. Then in the middle of the flower, we're going to add the chair. Alright everyone, so it's been a day and I am really excited about this. So let's go ahead and demold our little stand. Alright, so here is the bottom. You can see the little rainbows of colors and the glitter that fell down. Here is the side. Get a nice mix of the colors. And here is the top. Oh my goodness, this is actually quite pretty, don't you think? So we have this flower that's pretty much embedded in there because we took out the resin piece early while it's still soft so that we can sink it into the stand. And then we added the chair. And now let's add our doll. And there she is. Oh my goodness, this is super cute. Now she has her own matching stand. Isn't that cute? Alright everyone, so I had a lot of fun making this cute little stand. It's quite easy to do, but at the same time took a lot of work because of all the different colors. So let me know down below in the comment section what you think of my little doll stand. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and I'll see you next time. Bye!